deliberations took place at the highest level of power in the land. And as you heard, the decision was taken today to cancel Boys and Girls Championships 2020. Tough decision, but expected decision. It's one of those where it is better to be safe than sorry. The personal disappointment for the athletes, especially for the final year athletes, all of that will have to give way to the wider good and safety of the people. The very nature of champs, with a stadium jam-packed with people coming from all over the world, converging in a common space, that was always going to be a potential breeding ground for a mystery virus of this nature. And another twist to the cancellation is that while the immediate disappointment will be great, for certain caliber athletes, some of these same seniors, such as Ashanti Moore and Wayne Pinnock, and even Kevona Davis, etc., as per my regular play, looking at the bigger picture, some of them should not be at champs anyway. So as long as they don't get too hung up on this little amateur disappointment and realize there are bigger things than champs, and pick themselves up and push onto the heights that their exceptional talent can take them, this could very well be a blessing in disguise that could save some of our special talents from the curse of champs overkill. Yes. This no disappointment could power them to future greatness.